out. Traded concrete pressure for the silence and the doubt. The long drive melted worries, the speed faded too slow. We chased the fading sunlight to the only place we know, where the air is thick with salt and the time no longer flies, and the water meets the shoreline beneath the endless sky. Shed your heavy clothing, leave your complex thoughts behind. This is the simple haven that we work so hard to find. The only thing that matters is the rhythm of the tide. Welcome to the paradise beach, where the sand is baby soft. The coconut palms are swaying, swaying gently aloft. The waves are singing lullabies to the secrets that we keep here on paradise beach, where the world has fallen asleep. The ocean is the deepest blue, the sunlight is a haze. We could stay right here lost for the rest of our days. Your hair is lightly windswept, your face is free of strain. We built a little future despite the falling rain. We sit beneath the shadow of a palm tree old and tall, and realize that this beauty is worth much more than all the ambition and the chasing, the things we thought we need. Right here on this island, we planted a new seed. Shed your heavy clothing, leave your complex thoughts behind. This is the simple haven that we work so hard to find. The only thing that matters is the rhythm of the tide. Welcome to the paradise beach, where the sand is baby soft. The coconut palms are swaying, swaying gently aloft. The waves are singing lullabies to the secrets that we keep here on paradise beach, where the world has fallen asleep. The ocean is the deepest blue, the sunlight is a haze. We could stay right here lost for the rest of our days. I look at the horizon where the sky meets a clear blue sea, and know that this perfection is where I'm truly meant to be. No phone calls, no urgency, just the sound of the ocean roar. We found our quiet ending and we don't need anything more. Just the sun and the breeze on our paradise beach, forever and ever. The streetlights haven't woken up yet, just the amber stain across the floor. Shadows long and stretching out, like they're reaching for the door. The world is painted in a copper hue. Everything is old, everything is new. Caught in the golden hour, before the blue starts bleeding in. The silence has a power, let the quiet night begin. Everything slows, everything blurs. We're hanging here, suspended in the glow of the slow retreat. In the golden hour, bittersweet. Wait for the light to fade in the peace that we have made. Dust motes dancing in the beam, like a fragment of a half-forgotten dream. The clock is ticking, but I don't hear the sound. With my feet just inches off the ground, there's a magic in the way the sun says goodbye, setting fire to the corners of the sky. Don't blink or you might miss the shift, the way the heavy moments start to lift. It only lasts a minute, maybe two, but it's long enough to see the world with you. Everything slows, everything blurs, we're hanging here, suspended in the glow of the slow retreat. In the golden hour, bittersweet, wait for the light to fade. In the peace that we have made, the amber turns to violet, the gold turns into gray, but I'll keep the warmth of the sunset to guide me through the day. Streetlights haven't woken up yet, just the amber stain across the floor, caught in the golden hour before the blue starts bleeding in. Everything slows, everything blurs, we're hanging here, suspended in the glow of the slow